Hi dear all, my name is Clara Onatra. Today I'm going to be talking about how to write an opinion essay. So the objective of this video is to understand the structure of an opinion essay. So let's get started. What is an opinion essay? So in an opinion essay, you present your personal opinion regarding a particular topic. In this case, it's in relation to the book you've chosen. So your opinion must be stated clearly and very well supported. So you should also present an opposing viewpoint. You will understand this in a moment. So the structure, you will have intro, body, and conclusion. In your introduction, that's going to be your first paragraph. You will of course introduce the topic and state your opinion very clearly. Also, it is important that you include an attention color, something that will keep your reader reading till the end of it. Okay, so body, so we will have 3 paragraphs. The second paragraph, it says in here, paragraph 2, is going to be the first reason that is going to be in favor of what you are saying. Paragraph 3 is going to be the second reason that again is going to be in favor. And then we'll have the paragraph number 4, which is the opposite viewpoint, somehow against of what you are saying. So you will have 3 things. So 2 things are like in favor, right? So you are saying this and establishing this and that. But you're going to have another paragraph that is going to somehow show a different point of view, right? But then in the conclusion, so you're going to sum up your opinion, restate it using different words, and of course, trying like to somehow show the reader that your opinion is what you want to defend throughout your essay. Okay, so it means that we'll have 5 paragraphs in total. I hope the structure is clear for you. Key points to write this kind of essay. So first, have a clear thesis. The clear thesis means that you're going to have the 2 reasons you're going to be like defending somehow throughout your essay. Then you will write an attention color in the intro, as I was saying before. Start each paragraph with a topic sentence. Use formal language. It's very important because this is a formal paper, so avoid contractions. Use connectors. There are different kinds of connectors you can use here, for example, to establish your opinion, comparison and contrast connectors, addition, etc. And give your essay a catchy title. All right. So now we'll see an example. You can stop or pause your video a little bit in here because there are things to analyze. So for example, the use of colors in here, what they mean, how you can address your issue. Okay, so I took this information from the British Council. It's taken from an exam, but I think that it works perfectly here. Okay, so you can take a look at this for you to have a better panorama of what I want you to do. Useful expressions, so you can make use of this. It seems to me that, in my opinion, I am of the opinion that, I take the view that, etc., etc. So that there are different possibilities in here you can use, and also try to take into account the ones we studied at the beginning of the semester. I have in here also a helpful checklist that's going to help you out exactly like how to come up with a good opinion essay. So for example, the first one is the first option we have in here is my opinions, and my opinion essay states the reasons for my point of view. So I did great or I could do better. I wrote a strong beginning that states my opinion. The thesis statement is clear enough, showing the 2 reasons of my opinion. I wrote 2 body paragraphs, each one explaining a reason and its supporting details. I wrote a 3rd body paragraph that shows a different point of view with supporting details. I kept the formal language. I used synonyms for words I use too often. I began each body paragraph with a clear topic sentence, like telling the reader what he is going to face or encounter in that paragraph. And finally, I checked capitalization, grammar, punctuation, and spelling. So you should work on this opinion essay checklist before you hand it in, okay? And the assessment criteria I'll take into account is in relation to content. So the opinion essay is very well supported. Structure, the essay keeps the structure of intro, body, and conclusion. So also thesis and topic sentences are clear enough. Grammar and vocabulary, so formal language and good grammar are kept. Punctuation, so the use of punctuation mark is appropriate. Connectors, the writer makes use of a variety of connectors due to the nature of the text, as I was saying before. And finally, so these are the references. So I really hope that you can enjoy this writing and break a leg. Okay, with that.